Hey, I'm Paul Hutchinson, DJ, producer, and founder of Rockin' Social Media. I've been in the music industry for over 35 years now, and I help DJs and business owners grow their brand, get more bookings, and make social media work for them. And this podcast is all about giving you real strategies and updates that you can actually use that I've been geeking out on so you don't have to. And as always with me, no waffle, just straight to the point, no overcomplication, just tools that you can take away and things that you can do to put in place to start growing on social media today. Now, in this episode, I'm going to be covering the latest Instagram updates over the last month because there's been a ton of updates and you need to make sure that you're on top of this. Because if you're not, then you're leaving growth on the table. And we don't want to do that. We want you to grow. We want as many people to be able to see your content as possible. And that's why I'm doing these podcasts, is to help as many DJs as I can to start growing and succeed and get more gigs, get more bookings. So remember to subscribe to the channel if you like the sound of that. If you're listening to this on Apple Podcast, then please do leave a review and share it with a friend as well. That really helps more people listen to the episode and get to find out about this podcast. Okay, if you're ready to go, let's jump straight into this week's episode. So let's get straight into it. Instagram has dropped a bunch of updates over the last month. And if you're serious about growing your account, then you need to know about them. I'm going to run through them quickly and tell you what they mean and how you can actually use them. Again, no fluff, straight to the point, just the facts. Right, let's start with the first one, the repost feature. So Instagram finally lets you repost from other people's content directly to your feed. Now, this is a big deal. A lot of people have been waiting for this for a long time. Before, if you want to share something that you found online, you either had to take a screenshot of it or you had to record it like a screen record or use a clunky third-party app. Now you can do it natively in seconds. Now this means that you can keep your feed active without having to create every single post from scratch. And if you see a reel or post your audience will love, or you know that one of your friends will like it, you can share it in full. It's a quick way to do it. It's clean and it's high quality. And here's where it gets even better. The Instagram algorithm doesn't just track what you post. It also tracks what your audience interacts with. So if the content you share gets them engaging, then you're strengthening your connection with your audience. And that's going to help your reach in the long run. Reposting other people's content is also a great way to spotlight other people within your industry that you admire or aspire to be like even, and often encourages them to share your repost back to their own audience as well to return the favor. Over time, if you're constantly curating and reposting the best content in your niche, then people will start following you just to stay in the loop. That's how you become the go-to person for that content. So if you're a house DJ or a soulful house DJ and you're posting a lot of that content and resharing posts from other DJs similar to you, you're going to get known for that genre. And that's the most important part as a DJ, because that's when the bookings start coming in, when the promoters know exactly the kind of DJ that you are. The other way you can look at this is to literally curate a second feed almost. So the content that you repost will go on a different tab. So this is a great way for you also to maybe have one style of content on that tab only. It's a really nice way to play around with your feed and just get it how you want it. But definitely check out that repost feature. It's huge. It's going to be massive this summer. Okay, the next one is Instagram Maps. So they've updated their location sharing. What they've done is they've upgraded the way that location tagging works. And this is a massive opportunity for DJs, venues, and business owners as well. So the new Maps feature basically turns Instagram into a visual search engine. Imagine Google Maps, but instead of seeing reviews and websites, you're seeing posts and reels created at that location. Now, this is powerful for a few reasons. First of all, it's a great way to get found locally. Let's just say that someone's browsing the map for Marbella beach clubs. If you've tagged your location, your content could show up right there for them to see it. And they'll be able to see the address and find your venue and come down. It's also brilliant for event promotion as well. When you tag the event venue Anyone searching for that spot will see your posts, even if they don't follow you. So that's free targeted exposure right there. And then there's research. You can check which spots are getting the most attention, see what kind of content is trending in your area, and use that to inspire your own posts. So there you go. Go check that one out, the new Maps feature on Instagram. So next up, Instagram has also rolled out something called the Friends tab inside Reels. And it's another move towards making the platform feel more personal again. The Friends tab is where you can see your friends' Reels, what they've liked, and what they've shared. So instead of the algorithm only showing random trending videos at you, this tab is focused on content connected to your actual network. So you're going to start seeing content that you're much more interested in. Now, why does this matter to you? Well, it changes how content gets discovered. So it's no longer just about people finding you through hashtags or explore. Now your reel could land in someone's friends tab just because one of their mates engaged with it. And that's a whole new layer of organic reach right there. It's also a massive opportunity for community building as well. If you can create content that your audience wants to share with their friends, then you're increasing your chances of being seen by people who already trust the person who shared it. The play here is simple. For you to make reels that spark conversation. Make reels that people want to tag a mate in or share. And remember, people do send and share a lot of reels. Me and my wife are in a relationship. She's always sending me content. That's how it works. The more you get into the Friends tab, the more you'll grow without spending a penny on advertising. Okay, another update on Instagram this month has been the safety of updates for teens and for kids accounts as well. So what Meta have done is they've tightened the safety around teens and child-focused accounts. So adults can't DM teens unless they both follow each other. And if you're a parent managing a kid's account, there's more protection to keep dodgy accounts away as well. So this isn't really a growth tool, but it's good to know, especially if your content involves families or younger audiences as well. So a good one to keep in mind. Next up, the algorithm and new metrics. There's been some changes there. Instagram's been making some behind the scenes changes to how the algorithm recommends content. And this is one that's worth knowing about. So they've adjusted the way certain posts get shown in the feed to limit exposure from dodgy or spammy accounts. And in plain English, this means that they're trying to protect creators from low quality engagement. And that doesn't exactly help you grow. But the bigger news for us creators is the new metric they've added, which is sends per reach. Now this is gold. Sends per reach tells you how often people are sending your post to someone in a private message compared to how many people saw it. So think of this as your shareability score. Now here's why this is important. Likes are nice, obviously, but comments are good. But when someone takes the time to send your content privately to someone else, then that's next level engagement. It means your content has real value, whether it's entertaining, helpful, or relatable to people that they help. You know, they feel the need to want to pass it on. So the bottom line is track it, keep looking at these analytics inside your feed and learn from it. Double down on what people are actually sending to their friends. That's how you create posts that spread without you having to push them. Okay, and finally, there's been some more updates to the edits and creator tools. Okay, you've now got AI restyle, new fonts, transition effects, stickers, and better keyframe editing for Reels as well. Plus, more accounts have access to Reels. If you're not using edits yet, it's basically Instagram's built-in video editor on steroids, and it can save you a lot of time. And as Adam Mosseri, the head of Instagram, mentioned this week, if you create your reel and edit it directly inside the app, it will help with your reach when you go to post it. So definitely worth checking this out if you haven't got it yet. So those are the main Instagram updates from the past month. And in my opinion, the Repost feature and Friends tab are the big ones that you need to be jumping on right now. When you've done listening to this podcast, grab your phone and give them a go. Try them out. The sooner you start using these features, the more the algorithm rewards you. And I'll keep you updated of any more Instagram updates as we go. If you're not following me on Instagram, then head over to my page at Paul Hutchinson DJ. Give me a follow, okay? Also, I want to tell you about a really exciting retreat I've got coming up here in Spain next year, just down the road from where I live here in Estepona. Now, it's from the 14th to the 18th of May, 2026. And I'm hosting this retreat particularly for DJs and small business owners that want to learn about DJing and want to learn about branding and how to promote yourself on social media. So some of the things I'm going to be talking about is hands-on DJ training, looking at transition mixing, phrase mixing, and managing your music collection as well, which is one thing that a lot of people don't always talk about. We're going to be looking at social media branding sessions, so your online presence actually gets you gigs and clients. We're going to look at website tips, how to build a website to make you look more professional, and all the things that go with that, DJ press kit, stuff like that. We're also going to look at guest life coaching sessions with my wife, Karen. She's going to be coming down. We're going to do yoga sessions. We're going to do beach walks. It's going to be incredible. Plus, I'm going to take you out for dinner in Estepona one night, and another night we're going to go for dinner down in Marbella as well. All of your food is provided for the whole of your stay. Incredible villa, absolutely beautiful. If you want to check it out, then go to my website, click the link below this video, and there'll be a link there that will take you directly to the villa page, and you'll be able to have a look and see. There's payment methods there as well if you didn't want to pay in a lump sum. Prices start from $18.99, and like I said, there's a payment plan there as well if you want to do that. We've already got a couple of places booked on the villa. There's only 2 left because I don't want too many people on this event. I only want there to be a small amount of people so that I can tailor it to your exact requirements. It's going to be incredible. Come and join me in beautiful Spain for this event next year. So that's it for today's episode. I hope you found this useful. If you have, remember to subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to seeing you in the next episode. Have a great week. I'll see you next time.